Today I'm going to show you the power of visibility states. It can allow you to have multiple levels of complexity in a block, or do something simple like change the wording. Before we get started, I expect you to already know how to use AutoCAD 2D to a pretty high level. I expect you to have good knowledge of block creation and editing. You should probably understand how to isolate and unisolate objects, as this will help you understand the process involved today. And it's handy to know how to use the flip action, which we covered in lesson 5. And as always, please bring your enthusiasm. What we will be covering is how to hide and unhide entities using the visibility states action. Let's get started with this reference drawing. Now, it may look a little bit overwhelming, but don't panic. Let's open it up and tidy it up. We're going to start with a visibility parameter. You can place it anywhere you like. I prefer to do it on the right-hand side personally. Now, on the right, you can see we've got one visibility state, and if I open up the visibility states dialog, we can create some new ones. I'm going to call them French, Dutch, and Spanish. And I'm just going to right-click and rename visibility state 0 to English. Now you'll see that Spanish is ticked, and in the top right corner here we have Spanish, so I'll just select English, and then I will make that entity invisible. I'll select everything that isn't exit, which is everything but the black text. And I will hide them. Now if I go back to the ribbon, and I will hide everything that isn't yellow. Next to the Dutch, and I'll hide everything that isn't blue. And finally, Spanish, I will hide everything that isn't pink. And I can just check my work here. Set English as the default, save the block, and in model space I'll be able to see my changes. The cool thing is, this works independently of the flip action that we added in the previous lesson. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my Patreon. In addition to the lessons that are available online for free, I also have a number of in-depth practice exercise, written instructions, and starter files and example files that are available to download. Please check the description. You're supporting not just me, but learners all over the world from a diverse set of backgrounds, different levels of education, and different starting points. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.